Welcome to the Deep Dive. We're going to be taking a look at something pretty fascinating today. We're going to be diving into AIRIS. AIRIS is an AI system that is learning how to play Minecraft. Now, I know what you're thinking, Minecraft, really. But this is a lot more groundbreaking than it might initially sound. AIRIS isn't just playing Minecraft. It's actually learning how to learn Beak, which is a huge leap forward in the world of AI. So let's start by unpacking what AIRIS is. AIRIS stands for Artificial Intelligence Research in Simulated Environments. It's a project developed by researchers who are trying to really push the boundaries of what AI can do. Their goal is ambitious. They want to create an AI that can think and learn like a human being. We're talking about general intelligence, an AI that can solve problems, adapt to new situations, and even come up with creative solutions. And they're using Minecraft as the testing grounds for this. So why Minecraft? Well, it's a brilliant choice when you think about it. Minecraft is a complex 3D world, an endless world, really. You can explore, build, craft, fight, and even create your own rules within the game. It's a perfect environment for an AI to experiment and learn. And that's exactly what AIRIS is doing. It's learning to navigate this world. It's learning to solve problems. And it's even learning to adapt to unexpected challenges. And it does all of this without any explicit instructions or pre-programmed rules. It's learning by doing just like a human would. So how does all of this work? Well, AIRIS uses something called reinforcement learning. It's kind of like giving a dog a treat for good behavior. When AIRIS does something right, like finding a new path or avoiding an obstacle, it gets a reward. And when it makes a mistake, well, it gets penalized. Over time, AIRIS learns to maximize its rewards and minimize those penalties. It's basically trial and error, but it's an incredibly effective process. And the results, they are pretty impressive. AIRIS can already navigate the Minecraft world pretty easily. It can explore different terrains, it can gather resources, it can even build simple structures. But what's really remarkable is its ability to adapt. You see, unlike traditional AI systems that are basically programmed to follow a specific set of rules, AIRIS can learn and adapt on the fly. So for example, if it encounters a new obstacle, something it's never seen before, it can figure out how to get past it. It's not just following a script, it's thinking for itself. And this ability to adapt, this is what makes AIRIS so exciting. It means that it has the potential to solve problems that we haven't even thought of yet. Problems that require creativity and ingenuity and a real deep understanding of the world around us. So we've talked about what AIRIS is and we've talked about how it learns, but let's dive a little deeper into some of its specific capabilities. One of the most impressive things about AIRIS is its navigation skills. It can explore the Minecraft world, find efficient paths, and avoid obstacles. And it does all of this without any human intervention whatsoever. It's like having a self-driving car, but this one can navigate any terrain. But AIRIS's abilities go far beyond just navigation. It's also learning to solve problems. So, for instance, if it needs to reach a particular location, but there's a river in the way, it can actually figure out how to build a bridge to cross it. Or if it needs to gather resources, but they're scarce, it can learn to find new sources. And as AIRIS encounters more and more challenges, it just keeps getting better and better at solving them. It's honestly like watching a child learn and grow. Except, in this case, the child is an AI. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this is all pretty cool, but what does it have to do with the real world? And that's a really great question. The truth is that AIRIS's capabilities, they have the potential to completely revolutionize so many different industries. From robotics and transportation to healthcare and even education. Imagine, for example, self-driving cars that can navigate any city with ease. Or robots that can assist surgeons in complex operations. Or even imagine personalized learning systems that can adapt to each student's individual needs. I mean, the possibilities are truly endless, and AIRIS is just the beginning. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more amazing breakthroughs. Breakthroughs that will change the way we live, the way we work, and the way we interact with the world around us. But AIRIS isn't just about practical applications. It's also about really pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. It's about exploring the very nature of intelligence. It's about understanding how we can create machines that can truly think and learn like human beings. And that is a journey that is both incredibly exciting and very challenging. So let's continue our deep dive into AIRIS and see what else we can discover. Now that we've kind of covered the basics of what AIRIS is, let's take a closer look at some of its more advanced capabilities. One of the things that makes AIRIS so unique is its ability to adapt to new situations. It's not simply programmed to follow just one set of rules. It can actually learn, and it can change its behavior based on its experiences. Researchers have been testing AIRIS in a variety of different Minecraft environments. They've put it in forests, in deserts, in mountains, even underwater. And in each of these environments, AIRIS has been able to adapt and thrive. It's learned to navigate different terrains. It's figured out how to find new resources, and it's even learned how to avoid dangerous creatures. This adaptability, this is a key characteristic of what we call general intelligence.
It's what allows us humans to learn and grow, and it's what sets AIRIS apart from those more traditional AI systems. But AIRIS's adaptability goes even further than that. It can also learn to use tools and objects in really creative ways. For example, researchers have observed AIRIS using blocks to build bridges, ladders, even shelters. It's even been seen using tools to mine for resources and to craft new items. This ability to use tools, this is another hallmark of human intelligence, and it's something that AI researchers have been trying to replicate for decades now. But AIRIS, it's one of the first AI systems to really demonstrate this level of tool use in a complex environment. So we've seen that AIRIS can navigate, it can solve problems, it can adapt to new situations, and it can even use tools.
But what about social interaction? Can AIRIS learn to interact with other agents? Well, researchers are still working on this aspect of AIRIS's development. But they've already made some really interesting progress. They've created a version of AIRIS that can actually play Minecraft with other AIRIS agents, and they've observed some really interesting behaviors.
For example, AIRIS agents have been seen collaborating to build structures, gather resources, and even defend themselves against enemies. This ability to interact with other agents, this is another crucial element of general intelligence. It's what allows us humans to form societies, cultures, and even civilizations. And it's something that AI researchers are very eager to explore further. So AIRIS is already showing signs of social intelligence. And as it continues to develop, we can expect to see even more complex and sophisticated behaviors emerge. But social intelligence isn't just about interacting with other agents. It's also about understanding the world from a human perspective. It's about recognizing human emotions and intentions and values. And that's something that AI researchers are still very much working on. But AIRIS is a very promising step in the right direction. It's an AI system that's learning to think and learn like a human. And as it continues to develop, we can expect to see even more amazing breakthroughs. So stay tuned, because the future of AI, it's just getting started. And AIRIS is leading the way. But what makes AIRIS truly groundbreaking is its efficiency. It doesn't just learn, it learns quickly. Researchers have found that AIRIS can achieve the same level of performance as traditional AI systems, but in a fraction of the time. And this efficiency, well, it's only going to improve as AIRIS continues to learn. Just imagine an AI system that can learn a new skill in just a matter of hours, or even minutes. That's the kind of potential that AIRIS has. And it's all thanks to its unique combination of reinforcement learning and adaptability and problem-solving skills. Now, you might be wondering, okay, all of this sounds very technical, but what does it actually mean for me? Well, it means that AIRIS has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. Imagine AI systems that can assist us in our daily lives. AI systems that can help us with everything from cooking and cleaning to driving and shopping. AI systems that can even provide us with personalized healthcare and education. These are just a few of the incredible possibilities that AIRIS opens up. And as AI continues to evolve, we can only expect to see even more amazing applications emerge. But AIRIS isn't just about making our lives easier.
It's also about understanding the very nature of intelligence itself. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. And it's about creating a future where humans and AI can work together to solve some of the world's biggest challenges. So that, in a nutshell, is AIRIS, an AI system that's learning to play Minecraft. But it's so much more than that. It's a glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence, a future where AI is not just a tool, but a partner that can help us create a better world for everyone. So let's continue our deep dive into AIRIS and explore this fascinating world of artificial intelligence together. One of the most exciting things about AIRIS is that it's constantly evolving. Researchers are constantly adding new features and capabilities. They're constantly testing AIRIS in new and more challenging environments. So what's next for AIRIS? Well, one of the things that researchers are working on is improving its ability to interact with the physical world. They want to create a version of AIRIS that can actually control robots and other machines. Now imagine an AIRIS-powered robot that can help you with household chores or even perform surgery.
That's the kind of future that researchers are envisioning. Another area of research is improving AIRIS's ability to understand and respond to human language. The goal is to create an AIRIS that can have natural conversations with humans. Imagine an AIRIS-powered virtual assistant that can understand your needs and provide you with personalized assistance. That's another incredibly exciting possibility that AIRIS is opening up. And of course, researchers are also constantly working on improving AIRIS's core learning algorithms. They want to make it even more efficient, even more adaptable, and even more intelligent. So the future of AIRIS is bright, and as it continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more amazing breakthroughs. But as with any powerful technology, there are ethical considerations that we need to think about. It's incredibly important to ensure that AI systems like AIRIS are developed and used responsibly. We need to make sure that AI is aligned with human values, and we need to make sure that it ultimately benefits all of humanity. So as we continue to explore the potential of AI, let's do so with both excitement and caution. Let's embrace the possibilities, but let's also be mindful of the risks, because the future of AI is in our hands, and it's up to us to shape it wisely. So what are your thoughts on AIRIS? Do you think it has the potential to change the world, or are you concerned about the potential ethical implications? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below